What's up, guys? Tonight I will be fishing for sardines. So I've got the Sabiki rig tied on my main line. This rig contains 6 of these small hook with skirts, mimicking the shrimp. Hopefully we'll have some good luck and catch a bunch of the sardines. I think I got one. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay. First fish. Beautiful. Okay. Got one, you see the tip? See? Let it shake, attract more fish. Alright, let's check how many fish we got on the line. Oh, heavy. Oh, two big ones. Two fish. So we'll keep one fish on the line and let it shake. It's a great way to catch more fish. Oh, two fish. Haha. Oh, let it shake.
Today we will be cooking fresh sardines that the cameraman has caught during 10-degree weather last night in the ocean. We're using this knife to clean them, and the only ingredients we'll be putting on is olive oil and sea salt. We've got it. Now I go to work. If I can catch this little bastard. Slimy things. We're just gutting them and we're leaving the head on. That's what a dead sardine looks like. You want to make sure the inside is nice and clean. They're very small scales. The scales are optional. Because I don't eat the skin, but maybe Steven eats the skin.
I don't need that.
But as you can see, the scales are very small.
Yeah.
And that is one clean sardine. Now that the sardines are cleaned by our assistant, we're going to just simply place them in the oil and sea salt with a little bit of lemon. Mix them up and make sure you get the sea salt inside the fish. And then, as you'll see, that I have my jacket on because my sardine fisherman over here came to my house at 7:30 in the morning, and it's still cold in January in Connecticut. But I think I just saw one kick. They are so fresh. So let's go to the grill and let's cook. These fish cook very fast. They will only take maybe 3 minutes. And now we will go outside. I use the spray oil, but it's simple just to take the oil on a cloth and spray the grill. Just place the fish where you can turn them. And don't put too many on at once because the oil will burn them. Yeah, I can't get past. And then we will shut the grill. Now time to open the grill and flip the fish and allow it to cook for another minute and a half. An additional squeeze of lemon, lightly, never hurts with fish. Now say goodbye to the fish for 1 minute and a half. Our fish is done. After 1 minute and a half, we are ready to go from fishing to finish. You want the skin to get this crispy look. Again, a little more lemon to finish. And we will add the rest of Steven's catch. Oh. It's on there. And we will close the grill once again for 3 minutes. And the grill is at a very high heat of 400 to 500. Since it was opened, it will see 300, but it will go up very quickly. There you go.
This is the finished product from Chef Brian. Looks tasty.